Hello WordPress people, Trevor again. Ever wondered what keeps a website running smoothly, securely, and efficiently? Well, today we're diving into the world of technical expertise and why it's crucial for your WordPress website. It's pretty common for us to have a conversation with a business owner who thinks that their site is being taken care of, when in reality the designer stuck it on the hosting server. That's it. No backups, no upgrades, and no idea how to fix technical issues. Stick around till the end for a solution that might just be what you need. So let's start with the importance of technical expertise. So technical expertise isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about proactive maintenance, security, and optimization. So let's break it down. We have quick fixes. So technical experts can diagnose and repair issues quickly, minimizing downtime. We also have security measures. So with the right expertise, you can protect your site from hackers and recover quickly if something goes wrong. Then we also have performance optimization. So a slow site can drive visitors away. Technical experts know how to enhance speed and also user experience. Then we also have regular updates. So keeping everything updated ensures stability and security, but it's not always straightforward. Technical experts can handle this for you. Let's talk about common challenges and solutions. So managing a WordPress website can be complex. Here are some of the common challenges and how technical expertise can solve them. So first, let's talk about broken plugins. So a technical expert can identify and fix conflicting plugins. Then we also have security breaches. So regular security scans and also preventative measures can keep your site safe. Then we have slow loading time. So optimization techniques like caching and image compression can significantly improve load times. Then when it comes to update failures, proper testing and stage updates can prevent issues when updating WordPress plugins or themes. Now we need to talk about why continuous support actually matters. So continuous technical support isn't just a safety net, it's a growth tool. It ensures one, reliability, so that your site actually stays up and runs smoothly. And then we also have trust, so visitors can trust a fast and secure site. Then we have focus, so you can concentrate on your business knowing that your site is in good hands. So in conclusion, technical expertise is essential for any WordPress website. It's about more than just fixing problems. It's about creating a robust, reliable, and efficient online presence. If managing your WordPress or WooCommerce site feels like a daunting task, there's a solution that can make your life easier. Here at Double Dome, we offer specialized WordPress and WooCommerce support to keep your site running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. With unlimited technical support, you can focus on what you do best and leave the technical details to the experts. So click the link below to learn more and also sign up, and you will never worry about your website again. So thanks for watching, and if you found this information valuable, please leave a like and also subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of WordPress. See you in the next video.